Stacy. I am back today with another Toddler Tuesday video. In today's video we are making these miniature glittery bottles or sensory bottles, timeout bottles. There's a number of different names. And this container is actually a recycled travel size shampoo. You can of course make them bigger. Alright, so I have one container here. I'll be using corn syrup. You can pick this up at any grocery store. And we're going to fill this about 3/4 of the way full. I don't have a funnel, so hopefully I don't make a big mess here. I remember making these when my son was little, and we would call them, you know, a timeout bottle or a bedtime bottle. When he was real little, they were great for when he was in the car seat. You just want to make sure that you're using a container that is plastic and has a screw-on lid. This way, if you want to, you know, secure the lid on there with hot glue, you can do that. So we're going to go about 3/4 of the way full on that container. I have a towel here to kind of wipe off the mess because corn syrup is super sticky. I'm going to use a little bit of water just to get that off of there. I recommend a small funnel, but I don't have a small funnel, at least not one this small. Alright, so you can see that there. It's filled about halfway or 3/4 of the way with the corn syrup. Alright, now you want to add some glitter to it. If you look on Pinterest, there's all kinds of recipes for this. There's ones that use water and a glittery glue that you can pick up at the craft store or dollar store. Ones that use baby oil and water. Some of them, you know, call for glycerin. So I did like 2 little scoops of glitter. And we're going to set that aside. And I have a little container of water here. Let me zoom you guys out a little bit. And I'm going to use food coloring to pick the color. And because that one's yellow, we're going to make this one be like a pink color. I don't want it to be a real dark red. Okay, so we have that. Now you can see because the corn syrup is so thick, the glitter is sitting on top of that. But once we add the water to it, it'll help make them separate a little bit. But because the corn syrup is a lot thicker, the glittery part stays a little bit longer. Alright, so you can see the mixture there, right? Take your lid, screw that on. I have corn syrup on my fingers. And again, if you're, depending on the age of the little one that you're giving this for or making this for, you could take hot glue or a Gorilla Glue or a really strong glue to screw that lid on to make sure it doesn't come off. So you just give it a good shake. How cute, right? Super simple. So it's great for a little one in the car seat that's, you know, kind of bored and kind of whiny. You can kind of give them this to kind of calm them down a little bit. And we have that one here. Now again, over time, when they sit, you'll see the glitter kind of sit at the top of the container. You kind of see that now. I have more glitter here. Just give it a little bit of shake. But using the corn syrup, I find, you know, 3/4 of the way with corn syrup, you know, 3/4 part corn syrup to 1 part water, it's a lot thicker, so the glitter doesn't move as fast. Okay, I did make another one over here using a regular water bottle, and this is equal parts of baby oil and water. And baby oil, you can pick up that at the dollar store. Now this one, you shake it. It does the same thing as far as making the glitter move. It's really, really pretty to look at. But within a few seconds, you'll see the oil and the water separate, which is natural. Okay, so now the one here, that's purple, and you can see here how it's much lighter here because you have to shake it. So it's up to you on how you want to make it. You know, I think the baby oil method is a lot cheaper. But if you pick up a bottle of corn syrup and you're just using these little small travel size containers, you know, it's not that expensive. But anyway, guys, there you have it. A few different ways of making these glittery bottles or sensory bottles. You know, like I said, they have a number of names, a number of uses. So there's those two using the corn syrup and the water, and then these ones here using the baby oil and the water. But anyway, a really quick little craft. Any questions at all, guys, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.